Welcome to this video where we'll show you how to install and leverage Kubernetes with the FullHost.Cloud. With Kubernetes, you can easily manage containerized applications and orchestrate them with ease. First, log into your FullHost.Cloud account and head over to the marketplace to find the Kubernetes cluster. You can then choose between a production or development topology and select your preferred ingress controller, either HA proxy or Nginx. You can also choose the Jaeger tracing tool to ensure effective troubleshooting for distributed services. Give your environment a proper name and click Create. Use the credentials provided in the successful pop-up to enter the Kubernetes dashboard to manage and monitor your cluster resources, such as pods and nodes. The cluster topology should only be modified via the FullHost.Cloud dashboard. To modify the cluster topology, use the FullHost.Cloud horizontal scaling functionality to increase the number of workers, API balancer, or storage nodes. All new nodes are automatically registered and added to the cluster. And cluster resource consumption can be monitored through the Statistics tab. You can change limits for vertical scaling on the fly with no downtime, and the changed vertical scaling limits are reflected in statistics immediately. With the FullHost.Cloud, you can easily deploy, run, and manage your Kubernetes clusters with ease.